I refused to babysit my sister's kids after she called me just the fun aunt. I have always helped my sister with her 3 kids. Her husband works long hours, so I've stepped in a lot, hosting sleepovers, taking them on outings, and babysitting last minute. I adore my niece and nephews, but lately, I've felt taken for granted. I work a demanding job, and even though I don't have kids, my free time is limited. Still, I've rearranged my schedule countless times to help her, never asking for anything in return, because, well, family. Last week, my sister called in a panic about a work event, so I canceled plans and drove 45 minutes to babysit. Later that night, I overheard her on the phone with her husband saying, "Don't worry, my name will always help. She's just the fun aunt with no real responsibilities." I froze. When I confronted her, she brushed it off, saying I was overreacting and she didn't mean it like that. She insisted she appreciated me, but it felt insincere. I left without arguing but decided I needed some space. A few days later, she texted, asking me to babysit again, and I said no. She immediately called, upset, asking why I was being selfish. I told her I didn't appreciate being taken for granted or treated like I had no real responsibilities. She got defensive, saying I was punishing her kids over something she didn't mean. Now my parents are involved, telling me I'm overreacting and should forgive and forget because family helps family. My sister is furious, claiming I'm abandoning her kids out of